So today, I'm going to show you how to get API access for free, and not just one or two models, but pretty much all the major AI models out there. We're talking Anthropic Claude, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Meta, Mistral, Moonshot Kimi, OpenAI GPT, Grok, Baidu, Qwen, and a whole lot more. And the best part, you can use all of these for free. So let's not waste any time and just jump right into it. The platform we're talking about is called Blue Minds. This is the platform where you can get free API access to a bunch of popular AI models. So first things first, head over to the site and sign up using your GitHub account. Now, don't close the video and just walk away because we're not done yet. Sure, you've got your API key, but the setup and how you actually use it is a little different, so make sure you stick around till the end. Once you've signed up, you'll land directly on the token management section. Go ahead and click on Dashboard at the top. Here you can see that you've already been credited with $100, and as you probably know, that's not going to run out anytime soon, so realistically you can keep using this for a pretty long time. Now let's head over to the Models Marketplace. Just click on that. Here you'll find pretty much all the major AI models available right now. And the cool thing is, you can also see the pricing for each model right here, so just pick whichever one fits your needs. Now let's move on to generating your API key. To do that, click on Console at the top, then go to Token Management and hit Create Token. Now go ahead and give your token any name you like. Leave the token group set to default. Then under API Key Expiration, you can choose a duration based on your needs. I usually go with never. Now, below that, you'll see an option to set a quota. You can set a limit based on your available credits. I'm going ahead and selecting unlimited quota for now. After that, if you want, you can select a specific model and configure API access just for that one. Now go ahead and hit Submit at the bottom. And that's it, your API key will be generated right there. Go ahead and copy your API key from the side panel. So now let's look at how to actually use this API and get everything set up. I'll walk you through the entire setup in VS Code. Alright, let's jump straight into VS Code. Go ahead and open up VS Code. Over on the side, click on the extensions icon and search for Cline. It might take a moment to install. So Cline is basically an AI coding agent. It gives you access to some models on its own, and you can also connect your own API to handle coding, debugging, and development. Once it's installed, the setup is pretty straightforward. Now click on the Models section at the bottom, then go to API Provider at the top and select OpenAI Compatible. After that, paste the URL into the base URL field. I'll show it on screen and drop the link in the description below. Then go ahead and paste the API key you just copied into the API key field. Now you need to select a model to do that. Before we go to the model marketplace, I want to tell you something real quick. I just made a video where I tested the new Alibaba Cloud Qwen 3.7 Max model, and honestly, the results were kind of crazy. So if you want to check that out, the video is already live on the channel. Now, let's get into topic. Head back to Blue Minds, open the model marketplace, and copy the model ID of whichever model you want to use. For this example, I'm going with GPT-5. Copy the model ID, come back to VS Code, and paste it into the model name field. Now click Done at the top. And that's it, your setup is complete. Let's do a quick test to make sure everything's working. I'll just type a simple hello here. The first message might take a few seconds, usually around 5 to 8 seconds, since the model needs to initialize. And there it is, response came right through. Now you can use this the same way across your projects, SaaS apps, web development, and coding workflows. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye. Take care.